Hello everyone, if you're here today it's because you want to learn to do pas de chat, am I right? Well, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do pas de chat and also a short combination that you can use to show your friends and your teachers how to do pas de chat. So say that, let's get to it. Pas de chat is a jump that's going to transfer weight from one side to the other one, and there is a point where both legs are going to meet in passe in the air for 1 second and then go down to initial position. I know that it's a jump, however, I would like for you to find a bar, a chair, or something that you can use to help you to be aware of your body weight and just feel more comfortable. We're going to begin 2 hands on the bar, 5th position, right leg on the back, demi-plie. Passe with right leg and open a little bit to the side. We are going to jump, left leg passe and close in front. Once again, demi-plie, and it goes tac tac, very fast. Look up and transfer to the other side. Demi-plie, passe, plie. Now in the center we are going to use arm coordination, so we help ourselves to control, sustain that position and then go down. Let me do it to the other side so you also see it to the other side. Left leg on the back, my arms go brava, 1st, 5th, and 2nd position. Let me show you. Demi-plie, passe, passe, down. And now I'm going to show you a short combination that you will love, and it's tombe, pas de bourre, glissade, pas de chat. We are going to do croisé, diagonal, classical pose. We're going to do tombe, pas de bourre, plie, glissade, pas de chat. For more videos like this one, I would recommend you to click right here, check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. Just like that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.